Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable always on display feature on this device. So to do this, just go to the settings, then go to the display section, then advanced, and here you have this feature screen timeout. You can set it to 15 seconds or to 10 minutes or to 2 minutes or 30 seconds, but you can also set it to never turn off your display, and basically this is just the same thing as the always on display because your display never turns off, so it's like always turned on. This is obvious. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.